David Corey. How y'all doing today? Let's cut these figs before it starts raining. I'm putting together a pot of strawberry vert figs. It's raining. Ah, ah, ah. It's one, two, three. Try that one. Try that one. That's one. That's one. You can also use this, but I'm gonna do that later. Okay, let's get started. 3 nodes, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you want to cut at least 3 nodes and cut it straight across. That way I know where the bottom is. The slant on the bottom. Where's my pot? Oh, here's my pot. I just take them, stick them bottom down. Now the ones that had the branches, you have to pull off all the branches. We're gonna slip down the street. Slip down the street. I cut that at an angle so I know if that's the bottom. If you ever pull it up. Straight across. And at the bottom of the angle. So I know that if I ever pull that up to check, that's the bottom. Y'all notice it's raining out here, right? Yep. See how I cut that at the bottom slant? I know that's the bottom. So although it failed, I know it's the bottom. Could leave that in there like that. Let's make two. Stick that in there. Stick this in here. That's the bottom, but it's a slant. Oh, you gotta remember that. Easy way to remember. Cut it straight across. And on the next, cut the slant. Straight across, slant. Don't get rid of these leaves. These leaves will take away energy from your plant. Your tree, you're cutting, trying to start. Straight across, slant. Straight across, slant. the ends that you know, that's how you can tell the top though on most of on some of them. Not most of them, some of them. This one, it's already cut at the bottom. So there we have it. Oh no. I hope I got that in the camera. I might not have. I hope I did. But if I didn't, that was the pot. I'm so sorry. I gotta start this video over. Oh, anyway, I don't know if I might start it over, but strawberry vert, brown turkey. All right. I still got this Cadota fig that I gotta put cuttings in, and the pot is sitting over there by it. So that's we have it. YouTube. I'll holler at y'all on the next one. It's your boy, David Boy with that crop. If you like my content, please like, share, subscribe. Hit that notification so you get all my videos. Check out my shorts. I love shorts. All right, it's your boy, David Boy with that crop, and I'm out.